frequent high-speed rail riders miss these two hidden perks. First-class seats come with a hidden pillow. It's cleverly stored in the armrest. Just pull it out gently and it'll provide great support for your neck during long trips, making naps much more comfortable. Second, instead of waiting for station announcements, check real-time delay information via the 12306 app. It will push notifications directly to your phone, so you won't waste time waiting blindly. Have you unlocked this hidden pillow? Share in the comments. Follow me for more high-speed rail benefits.